I am Ferdinand Marcos, and I am the President of the Republic of the Philippines. I stand today on behalf of 110 million Filipinos.
Allow me to thank the Chair, Malaysia, for convening this very important summit. ASEAN, the GCC, and China, regions that are equally rich in culture, talent, and history, altogether represent nearly a quarter of the world's population and a significant share of global prosperity. But more than our economic weight, it is the enduring connection between our peoples that gives true meaning to our partnership. As we navigate an increasingly complex global landscape, the Philippines remains firmly committed to deepening our engagement with partners across the Gulf, China, and our fellow member states. We see a future shaped not by competition, but by collaboration, especially given our shared values, shared aspirations, and our shared growth.
So yun guys, narinig nyo? Oh, di ba? Daming speech ng Pangulo, ano? So dahil dyan, basahin ko ito, no? Para dagdag sa inyong kaalaman. Okay? Doon sa sinabi ng ating mahal na Pangulo. So dahil dito guys, ito po ang sinabi, no? Kumplituhin natin guys, no? ASEAN, the GCC and China region that are equally rich in culture, talent, and history all together represent nearly a quarter of the world's population and significant share of global prosperity. But more than our economic weight, it is the enduring connection between our people that gives true meaning to our partnership, conveyed President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. in his intervention at the inaugural Association of Southeast Asian Nations, which is Asian Gulf Cooperation Council, GC China Summit at Kuala Lumpur Convention Center, Malaysia on May 27, 2025. A new summit hosted by the ASEAN, it's underscore the regional bloc's proactive approach to global engagement, demonstrate its commitment to fostering economic leverage while maintaining balance and mutually beneficial relation with the partners. Enhance strategic autonomy, expands investment opportunities, and achieves greater stability and solidifies its position as a key player in evolving global economic order. Grabe, ano? Tuloy. As we navigate an increasingly complex global landscape, the Philippines remains firmly committed to deepening our engagements with the partners across the Gulf. China and our fellow members state we see a future shaped not by competition but by collaboration, especially given our shared value, shared aspiration, and shared growth, the President said. Oh, you see guys, ha? Sabi, dagdag doon sa sinabi niya. He stressed that the artificial intelligence, which is an AI, stands out as a powerful force for a transformation where the GCC and China have emerged as global leaders in AI innovation. He called on his fellow leaders to invest together. Oh, yan, ha? Nanawagan siya talaga. Ito si Pangulong Marcos Jr. talaga, guys. Wala ako talaga masabi dito. Investment pa more. Totoo naman yun. Importante po yan. In a building a strong, enabling digital foundation to close connectivity gaps, strengthen digital infrastructure, and promote an open and responsible innovation. Di kayo naloka sa kanyang mga speech, sa kanyang mga sinasabi. Talaga namang akmang-akma. Di ba? Ganun talaga dapat di ba? Ang isang leaders, agay. Let us also deepen cooperation in digital trade. Yes. Cybersecurity and the developments of digital skills so that our youth, our entrepreneur, on our workers are equipped to thrive in an AI-driven world that Chief Executive stated. Wow. Mayroon kaya ganyan ang mga ibang world leaders dyan na naumaten? Palagay ko guys, si PBBM lang mayroong ganitong klaseng mga words words of wisdom. Grabe. Antindi talaga. In other pressing challenges, he underscored that the Philippines welcomes greater collaboration in the development of renewable energy, carbon capture, and advanced storage technologies to ensure an energy future that is integrated, secure, and sustainable. Wow! Alam nyo, kahit saan bansa pumupunta, pinagmamalaki niya talaga ang Pilipinas, sa totoo lang. Samantalang yung iba dyan, sinisiraan pa. Di kayo naloka. Tuloy, he likewise emphasized, the President emphasized the importance of the safeguarding food system through climate resilience, agriculture innovation, and investment that empower rural communities and ensure long-term food security. Food is life nga. Yet beyond trade and technology, we must nurture the human ties that sustain us, deeper cooperation in education, in tourism, culture, and exchanges that will enrich our understanding, that will build trust, and bind our regions together in friendship and peace, President Marcos Jr. said in concluding his intervention. You see, mga bes? Ay, naku, ang ganda talaga yung mga sinasabi niya talaga. Sabi ko, ito yung Pangulo na ito. Ay, sayang. Sayang kung magdidiin lang siya ng ganun-ganun na lang. Napakaiksi ang panahon, mga kababayan. 6 years lang. Dapat i-extend dapat. So yun guys, ano po masasabi nyo sa kanyang mga sinasabi? Napakaganda, malinaw na malinaw. Diba? I think only this kind of president na talagang mayroon po talaga siyang kumbaga malasakit baga. Yung talagang gusto niya na gumanda ang bawat bansa, especially sa Pilipinas, magtulungan. Lalo na sa education sector, food security, ay nako, ewan. Lahat mahalaga talaga. Diyan si Pangulong Marcos Jr. nakatutok guys. Hindi yung mga patutsada ng mga garapata sa Pilipinas. So yun guys, ang aking pinaka-latest updates video. I think last ng speech niya yan. See you again on my next uploads. Bye 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 and baboos. God bless Philippines.